Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add a Canva design to your Shopify store. This is a fantastic way to incorporate custom graphics, banners, or interactive elements directly into your website without needing any complex coding knowledge. Let's jump right in. First, head over to canva.com and navigate to the design you want to embed. Once you've got your design open, look to the upper right corner of your screen where you'll find the Share button. Click on it, and from the options that appear, select See All. This will expand the sharing menu to reveal additional embedding and export options. In the expanded menu, you'll see an option labeled Embed. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring up another screen where you'll need to click Embed once more to access the actual embed code. Now, you'll see a field containing the HTML embed code. This code is what allows your Canva design to appear seamlessly on your Shopify site. Click to copy this HTML embed code as you'll need it in just a moment. With your code copied, it's time to switch over to Shopify.com. Make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in, look at the left side navigation panel and click on Online Store. This section is where you manage all aspects of your website's appearance and layout. You'll see your current theme displayed prominently. Next to it, you'll find a button that says Edit Theme. Click on Edit Theme to open up the theme editor where you can make changes to your site's structure. Now, you're in the theme customization interface. On the left side of your screen, you'll see all the sections that make up your homepage and other pages. Browse through these sections to find where you want your Canva design to appear. For this tutorial, we're going to add it to the Hero section, which is typically the first thing visitors see when they land on your site. Click on the Hero section to select it, then look for the option to Add Block and click it. A search field will appear where you can look for different types of blocks to add. Type in Custom Liquid and select it from the results. Custom Liquid is a powerful feature that allows you to insert custom code directly into your Shopify theme, which is exactly what we need for embedding our Canva design. Once you've added the Custom Liquid block, you'll notice a liquid code field appear on the right side of your screen. This is where you'll paste the HTML embed code you copied earlier from Canva. Simply click into that field and paste the code there. Make sure the entire code is pasted correctly without any extra spaces or missing characters. And that's it, your Canva design will now show up on your Shopify website exactly where you placed it. You can preview the changes to see how it looks and adjust the positioning or styling as needed. This method gives you incredible flexibility to showcase custom graphics and maintain a cohesive brand aesthetic across your online store. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.